You are the wind. You give light. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Let's open up your eyes. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Unmute yourself. Good morning with a smile, a big
Smile, smile, woman. Smile, woman.
Let me smile and how will you laugh? Laugh means you open your mouth alone. Laugh means வெளியில வரணும் வாய் மட்டும் திறக்க கூடாது. Very good. Well done, children. Thank you so much. Don't sit down. Stand up. Do the activity first. Come on, stand up.
Stand up.
Nice. Okay. If you're happy and you know it. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hazel, get up. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I want all of you to do the action. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Left, right. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Left, right. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Left, right. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. Very good. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. I want all of you to jump up high. Very high, not on your chair. Get down on the floor and jump up high, okay? If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Come on, unmute yourself and shout hooray.
Hooray. Sound.
If you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, say good morning.
Good morning.
If you're happy and you know it, say good morning.
Good morning.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, good morning. Happy and you know it, say I love you, mom. I love you, mom. Love you, dad. Dear parents, if you're
On the wrong
happy
way.
and you know it, and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, what will you say to your parents? I love you, mom, and I love you, dad. Come on, I want all of you to say your parents. Right? Come on, tell them. Jessica is smiling. Feeling very shy to say I love you, mom and dad. Very good. Very good, Darshun Melon. Good boy. Okay, now close your fingers. All of you close your fingers tight. We are going to roll count. Okay, ready? Ready, steady, go. Come on, count with mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then next is from 11 to 20. Okay? Close your fingers once again. Ananya. Come on, close your fingers once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clap your hands, all of you. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Tap your thighs. Tap your thighs. Listen to the music and tap your thighs. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Okay, very good, children. Now I want all of you to go inside, drink one glass of water and come back fast for the attendance. Come on. Ready, all of you? Finish drinking water. I want everyone to drink water. No cheating.
Finish.
No cheating. Everyone should drink water. Prisha, finish drinking water.
Good, ma'am.
Finish, ah. Okay. Finish up with the attendance. That's Helen.
Drink.
Why, Prisha? Drink water. Let's go. Dashwan, Velen. Very good, ma Dashwan. Hazel. Hazel. Here I am. What shaking your head?
Say here.
Hazel. Here I am, Manila ma'am. Okay. Marking you, Hazel. Jacinda Joy.
Here I am, Marina ma'am.
Very good, Jacinda. Good girl. Jason.
You are here.
Very good, Jason. Madhuvanti.
Here I am, Marina ma'am.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Mahirini.
Under. Here. Sound. Sound சொல்லு.
Mahirini.
அது vanilla.
Here I am.
Here I am. Here I am சொல்லுங்க. Here I.
Very good. Well done. Mitra. 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 Here I am. Thank you, Mitra. Prisha. Very good, Mitra. Prisha.
Here I am.
Very good, Prisha. Radyani. Radyani. Rudven. Rudven.
Here I am. Here I am. சொல்லு, here I am. Here I am.
Very good, Rudven. Sara. Sara. Very good girl, Sara. Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya. Very good. Santosh. Santosh.
Here I am.
Here I am. Very good, Santosh. Sri Ananya.
Here I am.
Very good. Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv Gautam.
Here I am சொல்லுங்க. நல்ல சத்தமா.
Here I am. Okay, I heard you. Okay. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
Here I am.
Very good. Varsha. Varsha. Very good girl, Varsha. Disha. Disha. Thank you, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good. Vihan. Vihan.
Here I am.
Vihan. Vihan is not there. Absent. Vihan. Where is Vihan? Okay, I'm marking you, Vihan. Okay. Come on, all of you fetch your ball. Come on, bring your ball. You are going to stand up. First, you are going to throw your ball up and catch it. Okay, throw your ball up and catch it for 5 times. You should not put the ball down. Without putting your ball down, you have to catch your ball. Throw it up, Varsha. Little bit up, little bit higher. Sarah, throw your ball high up and then catch your ball. Santosh, be careful, Santosh. Very good. Shivanya, little bit higher. Little bit higher. Very good, Varsha. Parents can teach them how to throw and catch. Yes, ma?
இன்னும்
5
கொஞ்சம் ஹைட்டா
times you have to
போடுவீங்க.
throw higher. Little bit higher. Like that. Focus on the ball where it is coming and then you go and catch it. Sarah, sitting in your place itself you are playing. Come on, stand up. Stand up and play. Get down from your chair. Get down and play. Let me see. Stand up and play, children. Don't sit and play. Stand up. Okay, now throw the ball to your parents and then catch it back. Throw the ball to your parents, whoever is next to you, and then catch it back. Very good, Mitra. Good. Shivanya, throw it to your mom or dad, whoever is next to you. Catch it. Very good, Shivanya. Good. Dharneshwar, good. Varsha, good. Prisha, good. Very good, Prisha. Sarah. And then Kavi Kartika, good. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Welcome. Mahirini. Catch the ball, come on. Don't throw it on the floor, Mahilini's dad or mom, whoever it is. Throw it to their hands. Visha, very good, Visha. Vihan. Very good. Well done. Very good. And now, all of you turn. Is there a wall near you? You'll have a wall. Now throw the ball to the wall. It will bounce back. You have to catch the ball. Slowly stand near the wall. Okay? And then bounce back and catch the ball. Slowly throw the ball to the wall. Very good, Shivanya. Good. Slower wall மேல போட்டு பிடிக்கணும் ball. Varsha, slowly, Varsha. Do it slowly. Mitra. Very good. Varsha, Mitra, Santosh. Santosh, very busy in throwing the ball here and there. Not at all catching, huh? Taruneshwar. Throw it on the wall. Okay, and then it will bounce back, catch the ball. Risha. Very good. Well done. Well done, everyone. Okay, now come on, stop the activity. Keep the ball down. Keep the ball down, all of you. Keep the ball down. Clap hands for yourself. A loud clap. Clap your hands, everyone. Very good, children. My children are very, 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 very good. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, now our next activity is going to be writing activity. Come on, bring your slate and chalk piece. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Ready with your slate? Have you drawn boxes in that? Ready? Before writing in the box, we are going to first practice one pattern. Okay? For that, I want this side. This checked side. Don't take this side. No, don't write here. Turn your slate and write it here. Afterwards, we'll write this side. Okay? Turn your slate, everyone. Today, we are going to learn double curve pattern. We know curve pattern, two curve pattern. One is front side curve and the other is back side curve. We learned. Yes, sir. Now, how many of you are feeling difficult in this curve pattern? Let me know first. How many of you are feeling it very difficult? See, in the air, you have to curve, put a curve like this. Okay, not like a standing line or sleeping line. It will be a curve like this. Okay, come on, write in the air first. No, don't write in the slate. Come on, show me everyone. Show me your action. How will you write a curve? Front side curve. And this will be your back side curve. Parents can guide them how to write in air. When they know the movement of their hand only, they'll be able to write in the slate. I want all of them to show me the action. How will you put a curve? Front side curve, back side curve. Very good, Madhuvanti, good. Yeah, the same way. Hold their hand and show. Very good, Sarah. You are able to put a curve in air, but not in the slate, naughty girl. Okay? Now I want you to put both the curve in your slate. Draw both the curve in your slate, front side curve and back side curve. Yes, very good. Very good, Disha, Jason, Madhuvanti. Varsha, good. Varsha, very good, Varsha. Visha, good ma. Nice curve, not like that, a full curve. Circle எப்படி வரைவீங்க? Circle க்கு curve போடுவோம் இல்லையா? Circle எப்படி curve போடுவோம்? Front side curve, back side curve சேர்ந்தாதானே ஒரு circle. Like that, you have to put a full curve. Full curve. Disha, the curve must be even more. Disha's mom. Front
Yes,
side
yes.
curve even more perfect she has to draw.
Okay, ma'am. We will draw one again, ma'am. Once again.
Yeah. Very good, Kavikartika. Very good, but too much big. அவ்வளோ பெருசு வேண்டாம்டா கண்ணா. சின்னதா போட்டா போதும். Small one. Okay? Now itself try to write small, small letters to them. When you write big, big one, பெருசு பெருசா எழுதுனா, then how will you write in your notebook? You will not get that control. Okay? So try to write small, 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 small in your slate also. Now itself. Very good. Well done. Now erase your slate. Clean up. Clean up your slates. Now the double curve. Ready? Watch carefully, children. All of your eyes in the screen. Come on, look at Vanilla Mom. Everyone look at Vanilla Mom. How I am going to write. Yes? Curve only. One curve. Should not take your hand. Kai edukka kudadu. Another curve. Okay? One curve. Another curve. Parents, I want you to write in their slate. Let them overwrite. Adu mele எழுதட்டும். Let them overwrite. First you write and give them. One curve, another curve, double curve. Children, you have to write on that itself. See how ma'am is writing on the same pattern. Like that slowly, without taking your hand, you should write. Very good, Tarneshwar. But some children, you will not bend here. You will straight away go here. You will not bend here, but the bend is very important. First finish this curve. Then go back. Again come down. Santosh, no playing, Santosh. Finish. Come on, let me see what you are writing, Santosh.
चलो
Santosh.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, Mama. Well done. Finished. இப்பதான் விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. Come on, show me. Show me how you have. Santosh, mom, don't hold his hand. Let him write. Next week we are going to start worksheets. At that time, no one is going to hold your child hand. Please, parent, leave them independently. Let them write. Even if it is wrong, also erase them. If it is 10 times, also erase it. Only 2 times if you guide them is enough. Then all the time they will be expecting you to write. Very good, Taruneshwar. Now write it alone. Finished, know what your parents have written. Now separately you write. நீங்களே தனியா எழுதுங்க. Double curve pattern. See, one curve. Go back, another curve. Kavi Karthika, are you writing? Can you please focus on what the children are writing? I am not able to see. Can you please tilt the camera and show me? Yama, good. Very good, Kavi Karthika. Good girl. Tarneshwar, good. Varsha, good. Very good, Varsha. Perfect. Perfect. Jason, very good.
Finish, ma'am, sir.
Jason.
Ma'am, to finish, ma'am, sir.
Writing in notebook. Who's that? Who is writing in notebook? Vihan.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Who's writing
Vihan.
in notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Shivanya, very good. Perfect, Kana. Good. Sarah, where is your curve? Come on, let me see. Sarah, Santosh. Vihan, don't write in maths notebook, ma. When I tell you to take the notebook alone, take it and write. Or else don't unnecessarily use your notebook. Take your rough notebook and use it if you don't have a slate. It's only for classwork or homework use. Other rough use and all, use your slate. Or else if you don't have your slate, children, use your rough notebook. Yes, Madhuvanti. Sarah, are you able to draw double curve? Prisha?
चलो
Finish. Very good. Well done. Double curve finish, right? Okay, now clean up your slate and turn it back. Now we are going to come back to our alphabet writing activity. Ready? Ready means thumbs up, all of you, if you are ready. Thumbs up if you are ready. Vanilla ma'am is ready. Who else is ready? Double thumbs up, Prisha. Ready. Very good. Sarah, take your slate. Come on. Very happy today in playing mode. Huh? Come back to your writing mode. Come on. Okay, ready? First is A. Come on, write A. A. Write in the boxes, children, okay? A. Vihan, why don't you write Vihan? Take a rough notebook and write Vihan. Vihan's dad or mom, whoever is there, draw lines and give it to him. Let him write in the lines. Even if they are using their rough notebook also.
Yes, ma'am, please.
A. Finished. And next we are going to write B. B, how will you write, children? Now only we learned double side curve, right? First, a standing line. First draw a standing line. Look at the screen. First draw a standing line and a double curve. We learned a double curve, right? B, a standing line and a double curve. Standing line and a double curve. B. Very good. I can see most of you are able to write B. Yes, finished. Next is C. C. Right inside. Finish. Next is D. Standing line and a back side curve. D. Standing line and a back side curve. Finished? If you are finished, please say yes, ma'am, children.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, children. Very good. Okay, now finish till D, right? I'm going to erase because I don't have place here. Next is E. E, how many sleeping lines you have to draw, children? Come on. 1, 2, and
Sleeping.
3. Very good. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. E. E finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next is F. For F, how many sleeping lines? 2 or 3?
2.
3. Good. Well done. F. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. F. Finish. Write slowly, children. Don't hurry up. Write slowly. Take your own time. F.
Yes. Yes.
Don't hurry up. Write slowly.
Yes. I finished.
Next is G, but G is little bit difficult, so we are skipping G. Okay. Next we are going to write H. H. Standing line, standing line, sleeping line.
இங்க போடுங்க ஹெச் பென்சில் ஒழுங்கா பிடிங்க
Standing line, standing line, Sleeping
Standing
line.
line.
H.
Very good. Standing line. Very good, Supreet.
Standing line, sleeping line. H. Very good, children. Very good. Well done. I can see all of your slates. Very good. Well done. H. And next is I. I, how will you write? A standing line first, top side sleeping line, and in the bottom one, sleeping line. I. Mahirini, are you writing, ma? I.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. H.
I. J and K, we'll learn it tomorrow. Next letter we are going to write is L. 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 If you don't have boxes, you can turn and write, children. Turn your slate and write. L. Standing line and a sleeping line. L. Next is the mountain pattern. Children, we learned mountain pattern, right? Like that, we are going to write M. Up, down, up, down. M. One more time. Up, down, up, down. M. Up, down, up, down. Up means your hand should go up. Down means it should come down. See here. Up means how ma'am is going up. Okay, and then down, again up, again down. M. If you want, you can guide them with dots like this. But the dot, they should start from here. This is going to be the main dot here. Okay? And then here one dot, again here and here. Now the way how they are going to join is up, and then they have to join this dot, and then go up and then come down. But without dot itself, it will be easy only. You can teach them. Up, down, like that. M, very good. Yes, good, Prisha. Prisha, Shivanya, good. Varsha, is that Varsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Jason, Visha, are you able to write M, Visha? How many of you are not able to write?
So already finished.
Sarah, are you writing M? Wow. Visha, very good, Visha.
Very good, Visha.
Thank you,
Ravi
ma'am.
Thank you.
Kartika,
Thank you, ma'am.
Vihan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Makana. Come on, Kavi Kartika, Vihan, Taruneshwar.
Finish,
You have to draw the mountain pattern. See here. Up, down, like this. No standing line. Then here you will get confused, children. Don't do like that. With one stretch, up, down, up, down. I taught you mountain pattern, right? The same way you're going to write yum. That's it. Is there anyone feeling very difficult to write M? Let me know. Good, ma Kavi Kartika. Very good. Rudvin, whatever you are able to write, you write. No need to force. The Rudvin's mom, don't force him to write. Let him write slowly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Mahilini. What is she doing? Next is N. Shall we write N? N also the same way, children.
Okay.
Up, down, up. No coming down. Up, down, up.
அடுத்து
For
N
N,
N க்கு வந்துட்டாங்க.
M, up, down. But for N, up, down, up alone. No coming down. Okay, this coming down line will not be there. This line will not be there. No, this line will not come.
Okay. Okay.
N.
N N வந்துட்டாங்க. என்ன எப்படின்னு சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. இப்ப
See here, one more time. Up, down, up. Stop. That's it. No coming down. If you come down, it will look like N.
N பாருங்க. இப்ப N பாரு. எப்படி
It should
போடுறாங்க.
not
இப்ப
come down. Up, down,
N
up.
மாதிரி
That's
N.
the way when you are writing also, you should repeat up, down for M. And then for N, up, up alone. No coming down.
இங்க பாரு. N எப்படி பாரு. ஈஸி பாரு. இங்க பாரு. மகிழ். இங்க பாரு. up. இங்க பாரு. down, up. அவ்வளவுதான் N.
If you are
அதே
not
மாதிரி
able
போடுங்க.
to write, you can overwrite.
ம்.
If your parents will write and give you, then you can overwrite.
நல்லா ஃபுல்லா வரணும் அப்ப.
Mahilini, mute yourself, ma. Jason, finish.
Sorry.
Good, ma, Jason. Jason, I'm angry with you. You wrote O also, va? I didn't ask you to write O, no? Naughty boy.
After.
It's okay, I was just kidding. See, smile. Okay, now the next is going to be O. Oh, it's very easy. I like this alphabet very much because it's very easy, children. O. O. O for orange. O for octopus. O. Rudvin, write O. Next is P. P is also very easy, children. How will you write P? First, a standing line. All of you look at the screen. Those who know to write, you can write standing line and only one curve. Not a double curve. If you put a double curve, it will become B. So no double curve, only a single curve. P, that too half of the line. பாதி line வரலாம் தான் போடணும். Okay? Standing line and then a curve. See here. P. P for Prisha. P for parrot. P, finish. Sugriv Gautam. Is it very difficult to write P? A standing line. See here. Look at ma'am, children. Follow ma'am. Standing line. First standing line podunga. Then a curve. Small curve. Not a big curve. A small curve. That's it. P. Finished? Let me know if you are finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished. Very good. Jason, okay, good.
Finish, continue.
Very good. Trisha.
Finish, ma'am, sir. Finish, ma'am, sir.
Kartika, what are you doing instead of writing? Kavi Kartika.
Finish, ma'am.
Where is your plate? I can't see you writing. What are you doing?
Writing in notebooks.
Where is your P? Let me see what you have written.
இது காமி இங்க பாரு
P. Where is P, ma?
ஓகேவா
P எழுதலையா Kavi Kartika? Come on, write P. Turn your slate and write.
சொல்லு.
ma'am she is not having space
So that slate you can't write. Okay, you can erase and write. I have seen everything. You can erase it and write.
Finish, ma'am.
You can ask me, no? For that you are searching for notebook. Ah, Kavi Kartika. These are very good. Be good, very good. See Ananya. Show me your slate. P. Yeah, very good. Next is Q. Q is also very easy, children. You are going to draw a circle like oval, okay? And then a slanting line. Circle and a slanting line. Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Today you are such a sweetheart today. Why? Something happened today, wa? Huh? Good. How you have become such a good girl today? High five, Hazel. Five. Thank you. R, we'll skip it, children. No need to write R. Now we are going to write S. Shall we write S? S is like a snake. See here. S is going to be like a snake. S. Okay, shall we draw a snake? It's going to be the snake. See here, S for snake. If you try to draw a snake, you will very well be able to write S. S. Without taking your hands, you should write S. See here. It is very difficult. Write in the air first. S. And then write it down on your slate or notebook. S. Yes. S for Sara, S for Sri Ananya, S for Sai Shivanya. S for Sugriv Gautam. Finished? Yes. Let me see your slates. Hazel, very good, Hazel. Vasha, good. Good, ma'am. Very good, Jason. Visha, good.
thank you ma'am
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma. Sai Shivanya. Madhuvanti. Next is T. T means a standing line and a sleeping line on top alone. Children, when you put down at the bottom also, when you put a sleeping line, what alphabet is this? It becomes I. So it is wrong. So only one sleeping line on top. On the bottom, you will not write a sleeping line. Okay? Only on top. A standing line and a sleeping line. That's it for today, children. If you have finished tea, I'm going to check all of your slates now. I'm just going to come back. Let me see how many beautifully you all have written.
பொறுமையா சொல்லு மேம் சீனியர் மேம் சொல்லு.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kavi Kartika. Good. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Well done.
Thank you சொல்லு. Thank you சொல்லு.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, high five.
High five கொடு. High five. High five.
Five. Hoppa. High five. Thank you. Next is Visha. Visha.
Just now erased other words, ma'am.
Okay, no issue. Yeah, I saw her how she wrote. Very good, Visha. High five.
I could miss it. I could.
Thank you, Visha. Hazel. Hazel. Mitra. Beautiful Mitra. What you have done. Thank you, Mitra's mom or dad, whoever it is. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mitra. High five.
High five.
High five. Perfectly have drawn a line and give it to her. Thank you so much. This is the way otherwise they'll randomly write here and there. Thank you so much. Next is Hazel. I asked you to show me your slate. Good, Hazel. High five, Hazel. High five. Very good. Such a good girl today. Next is Trisha. I want you to buy her a chocolate and give Hazel's mom. Chocolate. If she is in school, I will give it on my own. Get a chocolate. Okay, Trisha. Trisha, very nice. You have written in the line. Very good, Trisha. Very good. Well done. High five, Trisha.
Thank you.
Got a star. High five. Okay, I forgot to give stars, right? For those who have shown me. Sorry, children. First, who showed me? Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika, this star is for you.
Hey, thank you சொல்லு.
Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is for Visha. Visha, this is for you. And next, who showed to me? Hazel. Hazel, pink color star for Hazel. Okay, next is Trisha. Trisha gets a silver color star.
There's a star. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah. Welcome, Kana. Okay, next is Jason. Jason. Oh, Jason, I love you, Jason. The way you write. Yeah, very nice. Good. And Jason gets a green color star.
மேம் தள்ளுங்க.
இங்க பாரு மேம் ஸ்டார்ட்
Where is your smile, Jason? Where is your smile? That's it.
ஸ்மைல்
Matucha, I'm very frightened. Next is Jacinda Joy. Jacinda Joy. Show me. Very good, Jacinda Joy.
I want pink star.
Star was for you. Okay, Jacinda Joy. Good. Well done. Next is Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Beautiful writing.
I want pink star, ma'am.
Yeah, you get a pink color star. Happy?
Yes.
Yeah, welcome. Next is Varsha. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Beautiful writing, Varsha. What color star you need? Red, pink or green?
Pink color.
Pink color. Here is your pink color star. Happy?
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. Next is Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya. Mitra, you also get a star, Mitra. I didn't give for you, right? Mitra, where is Mitra? Mitra, this is for you. I forgot you, Mitra. Sorry. This is for you, Mitra. Happy? Okay. Thank you. Next is Sri Ananya. Very good, Sri Ananya. Good girl. And this star goes for Sri Ananya.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good girl. Sarah. Where is Sarah today? Sarah also is in good mood today. Wrote everything. Very good, Sarah. Thank you so much. What color star you need? Red color, pink color, or green color?
Pink color.
Pink color. Always pink color. Pinky. Huh? Pink color star. Happy? Welcome. Next is Mahirini. Mahirini. Where is Mahirini?
Yes, ma'am. Sollu.
Okay. Show me how you have written.
Okay.
I can't see. Wow, such a big letters you have written, ah. Good. Well done. And this star
Thank
goes
you,
for
ma'am.
you. Mahirini
Mahirini,
gets
வணக்கம்
the
sir.
red color star.
Thank you, ma'am. Sound சொல்லு.
வேண்டாமா மகிழினிக்கு இன்னும் வேண்டாமா
White star. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. சொல்லு.
Okay. Next is Madhuvanti. Yeah,
Oh,
welcome, Madhuvanti.
Finish.
Very good, Madhuvanti. I know you will write. What color star you need?
What color you want?
Pink.
Yellow.
or green? Yellow. Yellow. No, I don't have.
Ma'am don't have yellow.
What you
Green,
need?
red, pink. என்ன வேணும்?
Uh,
Red.
red. Red. Sorry, red.
Ah.
Okay, Madhuvanti. Naughty girl. Next is, whom shall I ask? Rihan. Rihan. Vihan. Super Vihan. Till Z itself you wrote. Okay, for that I have to give you double star, right? What color star shall I give you? This for you because you have written till Z. This for Vihan. Okay, next is Dashwan. 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 No, Dashwan is not there. Tushar, Radhyani, Rubin. Sugriv Gautam.
Mommy, here you start.
Yeah, very nice. Keep it with you. Sugriv Gautam. Where is Sugriv Gautam? Sugriv Gautam. Taruneshwar.
Copy, ma'am.
Sugriv Gautam.
காமிங்க இப்படி காமிங்க
Achcho, is this Sugriv Gauta? Very nice, Sugriv. I didn't expect that it's right. Very good. What color star you need? I have 4 colors. What color you need?
what color
Tell me.
Pink, mom.
என்ன கலர் வேணும்? Red, pink, green or white? Silver color.
Green, mama.
மாட்ட சொல்லுங்க
Green,
green மேம் சொல்லுங்க
green.
Green. Green color star வெண்ணிலா மேம் னு கேட்கணும். Okay, happy? Happy-ஆ?
Thank you.
Happy இல்லையா?
சத்தமா பேசு
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. Tarneshwar. Are you there, Tarneshwar? No, va? Okay, Visha. Visha,
Pink color, pink color.
pink color you need. Okay, this is for Visha. Okay, Visha? Happy? Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. You have done it very well. I myself didn't expect that you will write this much neatly. From Monday onwards, for sure, we'll start our worksheet. Okay, I have the confidence that you will write. So from Monday onwards, parents, please be ready with workbook number 1. Okay, I'll tell you what worksheet we'll do. So thank you so much, children. Bye, everyone. See you
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye. 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 Bye.